His name's Henry.
Mowers and blowers.
Mowers and blowers.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. This thing is very useful. It's a jump starter. Boy, do I need a jump starter all the time, because with my lawn tractors, I'm always jumping that battery, you know what I mean? Because it's always a crappy battery if I even get a battery at all. Also very handy to keep in your car, especially in the winter cold temperatures like here in the East Coast right now, where the average temperature is between 20 and 35 degrees. Batteries don't really hold their charge very well in the winter. So sometimes if your battery is not like brand new, you'll probably need a jump starter. So I got this in the mail about 3 or 4 days ago. I haven't had a chance to come out, but this is the Audew. I've had products from Audew before, but this is a multi-function jump starter. Now, Project Farm actually did a video a couple years ago with this item. This is probably the newer generation model, but he did a very thorough review on it. And but he didn't actually connect this onto a battery or a car or an engine, you know? He just basically put it onto a load tester and some gauges to measure what the output was, you know? So what I'm going to do differently is I'm actually going to try to put this on one of my old lawn tractors in the back. I have 3 of them that I got from people that I picked up off the street for free. And I think one of them has a battery. 2 of them have a battery. But one of them I know starts and runs. But I'm pretty sure that that battery is dead now because I haven't touched it in months. You know what I mean? Anyway, so I'm unboxing this for the very first time in front of you. And we're just going to take a quick gander at it. Ooh. Comes in a nice little case here. Audew. Sounds French. But it's not. It's Chinese. Nice little box with the zipper closure. And on this side over here we have the jumper cables. Plastic. The cord is your typical gauge wire. Black and red alligator clips. Good tension. Such good tension that you could use this as a exercise for your fingers. Module with the blue plug that plugs in. Square, round. Plug it into the thing. Here we have a cigarette lighter adapter, so you can power your in-car things like a mini vacuum or things that require a cigarette lighter, you know. USB Type-C charger plug. And USB-C to USB-C. This is also a power bank too. Like you can charge your phone, electronics with it. Instructions, user manual. Get out of here. We don't need to read any silly instructions. Forget about it. Ooh. This thing here is your power adapter. Looks kind of like the Apple one. If you guys have the Apple ones, you can see that it's about the same. So you would plug in the USB here to charge it, or you can plug in your USB-C here to USB-C. So it has a lot of options, you know what I mean? So here it is right here. The Audew power bank jump starter. Has what they call a torch, but it's a LED flashlight. So a LED flashlight, a charger, and a jump starter all in one. It says, when I just touched it before, now it's not on again, but when I touched it before, it said 72%. I just pressed the power button on the side there. It says 72%. So 72% is pretty good. You know, it should be enough to jumpstart a battery for your lawn tractor. You know what I mean? I know you know what I mean. Oh, okay, so you can plug this in here if you needed to attach a cigarette lighter type. Just kidding. Just a little joke. If you needed to attach one of those accessories into here. So very useful. Very cool. Huh. Here's where you would plug in your thing. I guess it won't allow you to do that because it's unsafe. Real quick, here are the technical specs. This is called the Empower 155. 15 volts, 10 amp, Type C, PD, 18 watts, 12 volt jump start. Input Type C, 18 watts. Full charging time, about 3 hours. Start current, 500 amps at 3 seconds, 400 amps at 5 seconds, and peak current, 2000 amps. There's something, oh, there it is. Battery capacity, the fourth one, 20,000 milliamps per hour. That's a lot. All right, let's go out in the backyard here. Oh, man. That orange Husqvarna, that actually runs, but it has an engine crack in it, but it does have a battery in it, and I do remember it did start, but I'm pretty sure the battery is DONESKI. I'm going to clear out the snow a little bit. Alright, so I'm just going to see if there's any juice in here, okay? Put this down. It's cruise control. Alright, let's see if it cranks. So the battery is dead, but you could still hear a little bit of crankage. But it's not cranking the engine, only the starter is turning. Yeah. So you know what? Let's just connect it on here and see. I can't get that hood completely open, so I have to pull it back a little. That'll be kind of tough, I think. Oh, no way. Can't even move it. I'm going to try to just put the jumper cables on this way. So there's a green light here. You guys see that? It's a green light there. It means it's put on correctly. Let's see if it cranks the engine. If it cranks the engine, we know that it works. Here we go. See? It's down to 68 now. My starter is not really the gear. It's not moving. There we go. Cranks. See? So we tried it a couple times. It cranked 2 of the times. It was at 72. Now it's at 66. Okay, so you could probably get a bunch of jump starts out of this thing. 20,000 milliamps per hour. That's a lot. The power button, when you press it down for 3 seconds, you have the light that turns on. Okay, it's useful for when you have to go somewhere, you're in a pinch, on a dark highway, you can't see anything. Here's your flashlight right there. If you're really in a pinch and you need help, press it again, tap it lightly, and you have a strobe. You put this on the floor while you're changing your tire. People won't run into you on the highway. Press it again, and you got that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What is that? That's the universal signal for SOS. save our shit. So very useful. Charge your phones if you need to. Emergency light and a jump starter. All in a handy carrying case with a cigarette lighter adapter, your charging cables and all that. Very useful. 20,000 milliamps per hour? Wow, that's a lot. It's a big punch in one of these things, you know what I mean? So this is very handy to have. I'll keep it in my car in case I need it someday. And I'm gonna need it someday for sure. You guys are gonna see me use this in my future videos when it gets a little warmer and I'm doing some tractor work. Thanks Audew for sending it to me. It's a wonderful little thing to have in your car for emergencies whenever you're in a pinch. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's weekend product review. If you're interested in this, I think it's like 70 bucks, something like that, free shipping. Check the link in the description if you want to get yours. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Thought I'd charge it up. Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, fire right out! Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.